I'm making this design and I just want to show you how would you apply ultra wheat with ultra color soft. I'm just gonna make sure that my design is centered. I want it to be right here, so it's too low. So I'm gonna bring this up till like right there. So that's what I want it to be, and this I want it straight. The way I check if if my letters were straight, I just use this piece of carton. I just set it right here, and I was not worried about the size. I just wanted to be if the letters are centered. So I just did this. So I set this up here, and straighten it up. And my letters, my red letters, they're a little bit down, so I'm gonna fix that. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna cut this excess because I don't want them by accidents overlapping. Let me try it right there. So I want this to be straight, and so that is just straight right there. So I think now I've set them up too high, but I think it's just from the top, just slightly down right there. I think I got even now. And then I just going to make sure my design didn't move. And I did move a little bit because I wanted the center right here. So I'm going to move this a little bit. Right there. Right there, it'll be perfect. We are going to use our cover sheet, and we're gonna hit apply this for only 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, let's do it for 3 seconds. I have my heat press set up at 290 for 15 seconds. Now we're not gonna touch the ultra color soft. We're just going to peel off the ultra wheat. And we want to be careful right here. So right now what we are going to do is we're gonna heat it up for the entire 15 seconds. The ultra color soft is a cold peel, so we can just wait till it cools down. I'm using a piece of bread so I can cool it down. So I'm gonna see if I can get it off, which is going to be hard because of the little stuff, the little parts, and I should probably let go. And it peel off beautifully. There's nothing left in here. So what I want to do though, I want to here apply for 5 more seconds just to make sure, okay? Because I can see right here the edge thing pick up really well. So let's heat it up again, and then we'll be done. So it could be because I got these edges right here. That should be good. And now, as you can see, it's perfect. Nothing peeling off. This is the end result, so I hope you guys learned something new. So as you can see, I was able to mix ultra color with ultra color soft. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Until next time, thank you.